From grade 7th. Hope you are doing well and enjoying your summer break. I am here to guide you about your English summer pack. Your English summer pack is full of knowledge and it's very interesting. You will enjoy it a lot. Do it by yourself, and if you find any difficulty in any activity, you can take help from your parents or your brothers or sister. But one thing is important, that you have to use your own imaginations while you are doing your creative writings given in your summer pack. Now we have first activity. It's about comprehension passage. You have to read this passage carefully and you must have to give 3 readings to your passage. After 3 times reading of this passage, you have to give the answers of these questions. These are the 4 questions which you have to give answers. And next we have activity number 2. It's about words meaning and sentences. The first word is like lectured, and the meaning is to talk angrily in order to criticize someone. And next you have to make sentences from these words. Next activity, we have activity number 3. You have to write a story in this activity. It's imaginative story, and one thing that is important, that you have to know that when we write story is always written in past tense. So you have to use past tense while you are writing this story. And the prompt is given to you and some instructions are also given. Activity number 4 is about question words. The first one is I have done for you. Underline the question words, like what is John writing? What is the question word here? What? The next activity, fill in the blanks with the correct questions. The question words are given in the above activity. So with the help of first activity, you have to fill the blanks of the second activity. Like first one I have done for you people. The dash are you going tomorrow? Where are you going tomorrow? The next activity, again we have comprehension passage. You have to read this passage carefully, and after reading this passage you have to give the answers of these questions. Next activity is based on multiple choice questions. So for doing this activity, you have to write all the answers, all the options of these answers on a rough sheet. और जब आप उनको रफ शीट पर लिख लें, उसके बाद दोबारा आपने you have to do the reading again of your passage and make sure that your all answers are correct. And when you have made sure that all answers are correct, so you have to tick them on your back. Number 6 is again comprehension passage. So you have to do this activity again in the same way we have done previous activities. Next activity number 8 is also comprehension passage, which is very easy. It's not too difficult. Now we have very interesting activity number 9, and this activity is about pronouns, and we have done these pronouns in our class. You can take help from your grammar book. It's possessive pronouns, relative pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. Activity number 10 is about letter writing. You have to write your letter to yourself. Here your current thoughts, feelings, and aspirations. Include details about your goals and hopes for the future. Seal the letter and keep it somewhere safe. Consider opening it in a year or more to reflect on how much you have grown and achieved. तो आपने ये लेटर खुद को लिखना है, अपनी प्रेजेंट जो इस वक्त की करंट फीलिंग्स हैं, आपने उनको, थॉट्स को, अपनी एस्पायरेशंस को, वो सारे आपने शेयर करने हैं, उस लेटर में लिखने हैं. और आप इस लेटर को कहीं पर अपने पहले रफ पर लिखें, बट पैटर्न आपने वही फॉलो करना है जो आई हैव गिवन यू इन योर नोटबुक्स और इन योर ग्रामर बुक्स. Activity number 11, and this is the last activity of your English summer pack, and it's about essay writing. You have to write essay. The topic is the influence of social media on society. It's very interesting and very easy topic. It's not too difficult, and your words limit is must be 150 to 200 words. You have use proper beginning, middle, and end. You have to make 3 paragraphs and suitable title, but title is also given to you. You have to use correct grammar and spellings. While you are writing your essay, you can take help from your parents, or you can take help from Google. This is the last activity of your English summer pack, and have a safe and nice vacations all of you, and thank you so much.